Hello everyone, happy morning, and today we are going to make a beautiful recipe that is a dragon fruit smoothie, and it's very delicious. You have to try this out. So for this we need some ingredients. That is the main thing is dragon fruit. Take any dragon fruit, a pink or a white one, and coconut ghee and jaggery and elaichi. Coconut ghee you have to take out milk. Okay, you have to grind that and just take out the milk. And dragon fruit you have to cut. And elaichi you have to make a powder, elaichi powder. And the jaggery you have to make a syrup. Just keep this jaggery little bit of water and dissolve the jaggery. That is jaggery syrup. Okay, so this dragon fruit you have to cut that and just grind it. So I'm not adding anything here, just a dragon fruit, and just grind it. So after grinding, see, you have to keep ready things that also like coconut milk, keep that ready. And jaggery syrup, so you can dissolve the jaggery. And you can boil also, that also you can use. Boil the jaggery, dissolve it, and let it be cool. So after grinding this only, this is a dragon fruit, only dragon fruit I have grinded, and I have put that in a bowl. And I'm adding here a coconut milk. So you can add even in the mixer jar, doesn't matter. So I'm adding here coconut milk and mix it, and add elaichi powder, cardamom powder. So add a 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon is enough. So add that and mix it, and add now a jaggery syrup. As I said, you can mix the jaggery in a water and dissolve it. You can boil also little bit. So keep it cool. After it cools only, you have to add. So now how much you want, you that much you can add. So now the juice is ready, right? So this is the juice. You can even you can have this directly like this only. It's very tasty and very yummy. So if you want to make it more richer, you can make this also a smoothie. I will show you later. So for this you can add a topping, any topping you can add. I'm adding here sesame seeds. So you can add any toppings. Even you can chop the dragon fruits and you can just decorate, or else you can add some chopped mangoes or banana. You can just add that also. So now if you want to make it a rich smoothie, for that what you can add is some more fruits. You can add same quantity of fruits you can add. So now I am taken here a mangoes, so you can add mangoes. Mangoes will go well with the dragon fruit. Even bananas, you can add bananas also. So I'm adding here mangoes, roughly chopped mangoes, and on top of that, this one grinded a dragon juice kind of the smoothie, right? That one you can add and just mix it. A normal mix, and top of that you can decorate with anything. I'm just mixing like this, and would decorating with some ingredients whatever available in my home. So you can decorate however you feel, your whatever ingredients you get. So make it beautiful, have it beautifully, right? So mix it and it's done already. Sweet is there, flavor is there, and the creamy thing is there, coconut milk. So it's done. And decorate with nuts and fruits. And if you have rose petals, that also you can just decorate and just have this, right? So beautiful, isn't it? So beautiful. My mouth is watering. What about you? I don't know. My mouth is watering. And make this one, have it. It's so delicious and yummy and healthy always. Yeah, right. So healthy, and breakfast you can have this directly. It's very nice and fulfilling. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Namaste.